Here you go.
Okay, alright. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. I think I'm tripping to the flow. That's feeling different, much more different than before. Yeah, I'm tripping from the ceiling to the floor. Feeling different, cause I'm tripping to the flow.
Started with notebooks and pages just to get out of the hood I was raised in. Cause see, the hood ain't no location. The hood is simply where you place it. See, now when I look at faces, I give a dap and a good vibration. Cause there's no reason you should be faithless. Cause look at how far a hook can take you. From up here, earth looks amazing. That's why I'm invading human races. And there's no reason to debate it. I am the universe and you're crazy. Now let's take a new vacation. I was thinking Jupiter, Pluto maybe. See, I ain't crazy. I'm just trying to wake up and I ain't patient.
I think I'm tripping to the flow. Feeling different, much more different than before. Yeah, I'm tripping from the ceiling